In this video, we are going to learn how to download the HAR file from the browser in order to get as much information as we can about any issue that could be happening. The first thing we need to do is to open the browser console, and we want to do this first thing when we start working, because if we wait and open it after the error already happened, then the log won't contain the information that we need. So we go here to More Tools, Developer Tools, and here now we change to the Network tab. Here you can see we have the option to preserve the log, so we are going to check this. And as you can see, if I navigate to other parts of the platform, the information is logging. Now, if you don't want to have this right here when you're working, you can separate by clicking here to have it on a different window and keep it on the background while you work. So after you get any error here that we want to identify, then you can go check this window and you can click here where it says export HAR. You just need to save it, and that's the file that we need to pinpoint the issue.